friends, myself Dr. K.D. More, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of HDS at KKV College Agriculture, Nasik. Today we are going to the topic packaging of milk and milk products. Content of today's topic is introduction, history, which material is used for the packaging, then effect of environment and human health, then what are the future prospect regarding the packaging of different milk and milk products, and what are the new concept for packaging of milk and milk products as well as food products. First of all, introduction. The packaging is an integral part of the processing in dairy and food industry. It is a media for safe delivery of the products from the center of the production to the point of the consumption. This is the main introduction of packaging. Then the product is often identified by the package in which it is packed, and the packaging industry is growing at much higher rate in developed countries. It resulting over the 12% of the annual growth. Then so many packaging material is used for different milk and milk products. That is glass bottle, wooden boxes, then china pots, earthen pots, plastic containers, metal cans, paper boxes. Then packaging is the advertising were virtually unknown at that time, and that today's packaging is a massive profitable industry, and often it is the way of packaging tools is influence the shopper by the product inside it. Then the milk is a liquid, so required a container at every stage, because it is milk is perishable in nature. Most of the time the contamination is occurred, so that the packaging material is very important regarding milk products as well as food products. The packaging of milk is a technique of using appropriate containers to protect the product, to carry the product, and then merchandised in any milk products. Then vital link between the manufacturing of the consumers. Then history of the packaging. At early stages, the cow udder was the basic container, but the development of the container is 1860s to 1870 for the distribution. This way the material can up to about 80 liters. And the first significant development in the milk packaging process for sterilization milk. The sterilization milk is heating up to the 100 to 120 degrees Celsius for minutes. Then in the third decades of the century, bottling the pasteurized milk is developed, and the development and introduction of the plastic materials of packaging in the dairy industry in the year 1940. Then what is meant by packaging? The packaging are tools that protect and contains our goods with the aim of minimizing an environmental impact for the consumption. It is called as packaging. And the technology of enclosing or protecting the products for distribution, then storage, then sale and use. Then packaging means the protection of our products against any damage caused by influences of environment, that is humidity, it may be humidity, light, oxygen damage, then temperature also. Then ideal packaging can be compared with that of banana, oxygen peel, then orange peel, coconut, eggshell, and this packaging is provided by the mother nature. Okay. Then after basic packaging material use, these are the different packaging material used for the various milk and milk products. That is paper and paper based products, then glass bottles, tin plate, aluminum foil, timber, plastic. In the plastic, low polymer, high polymer. It is also low density polyethylene, high density polyethylene. Then laminates also. These are the different material used for uh, packaging of the milk and milk product. Then these are the different milk products. Is used for various packaging material. It may be plastic pouch, plastic frames, then corrugated boxes, glass bottles, then tin plate, pack in various products also. Then these are the different products. That is liquid milk is pack in glass bottle, then paper laminates or Tetra Paks. Tetra Paks is a very famous packaging material, and the product is safe up to the 6 month. Then flexible pouches, these are the plastic material used for only liquid type of milk products. Then milk powders is packed in tin plate containers, then metallized aluminum foils, then lined cartons. Then butter is packed in duplex board with parchment paper, aluminum foils. Then cheese product is packed in tin plate containers, aluminum foils in duplex duplex board cartons. And ghee is packed in tin plate containers, flexible pouches. Then ice cream is packed in plastic containers, duplex board cartons. Then what are the roles of the packaging material? It is the contain the product, then selling the product, then safety the product. These are the various important, very important the function of the packaging of different milk and milk products as well as food products. Then facilitating and handling the storage is very important. Then protect again the biological to protect the various damage, that is biological, chemical, and distribution damages. Then providing convenience. Then information is we must on the packaging material. Then security, this is very important thing. Then damage image, product image. Then increasing the shelf life, marketing and advertising tools, attractive to the consumer. Then easy to open and disposal of the packaging material. Then economic base is very important. Then what are the selection criteria for the packaging material? It is a it should be specific sensitiveness, then factor changing the contents, weight and shape the content, filling and sealing the speed, then contamination of food, storage condition, then biodegradability and recycling potential, transportation, perishability, product range, market and consumer needs. Then this is the main factor guiding for package design. What type of package design is prepared by the particular? First of all, to search the market research, then do the planning of package design of packaging material. Then what are the specification of packaging? Then package modeling is very important. Then test production, then evaluation is very important. Then marketing, then production and sale the particular. Then these are the different products, that is liquid milk products. The liquid milk products, 92% liquid milk products is packed in flexible pouches, and rest of the 8% liquid milk products is packed in glass bottle, 7%, and 1% liquid milk products packed in aseptic packaging. Aseptic packaging also very important. Then plastic materials in aseptic packaging of the milk products are polythene, polypropylene and polystyrene. These are the very important packaging material, PP, PS and PE. Okay. Then popular commercial system are available in Tetra Pak, Combi Block and Pure Pack. These are the pack material. These are the packaging material. Popular packaging material is famous in foreign countries, and the Tetra Pak is resulting the shelf life of the product up to 6 months to 1 year. Then economic saving is realized. Then cream, shelf life of the refrigerated cream 1 to 2 days. Then packaging consists of polyethylene coated paper boards. In India, the cream generally packed in 20 or 250 ml glass bottles, individual pack of the consumer owned containers. Then tin plate containers also used for larger size. Whipped cream sold in aerosol can send in polyethylene tubes. Then imitation creams pack in wax coated paper board cartoons. Then wholemeal powder. The wholemeal powder is generally packed in vacuum packaging of different plastic pouches. They are produced either by the roller or drum processor. Rapid flavor deterioration due to oxidation. General procedure is remove the oxygen by subjecting the product of vacuum within 24 hours of drying. Less than 2% final oxygen considered is satisfactorily. Then coating with an impermeable material or addition of antioxidant is also. Then the ghee is generally packed in tin plate containers in large amount. Then medium amount of the ghee is packed in the semi-rigid containers, and the 500 capacity as well as 1 kg of ghee is packed in flexible pouches or flexible films. Then paneer. The paneer is shelf life of the paneer is 24 hours for room temperature, and the shelf life of the paneer is 5 to 6 days for refrigeration temperature. The Sachdeva and et al. Is discovered in 1991 is reported the vacuum packed paneer blocks of 10 by 4 by 6 centimeter in size is packed in polyethylene bags. The result is observed. The up to 30 days the vacuum packaging is done in paneer at 6 to 10 degrees Celsius, and the results is up to 30 days the shelf life is increased, and also body texture of paneer is improved in vacuum packaging. Then in khoya, the limited shelf life of khoya is 4 to 5 days at room temperature, and hot filling 80 to 90 degrees Celsius of khoya in tin cans increases the shelf life to 14 days at 37 degrees Celsius. Recently, high barrier the structure laminates based on the polyester, ethylene, vinyl alcohol, and polythene is being developed 10 days shelf life at 37 degrees Celsius and 60 days shelf life for the refrigerator. The tin cans and rigid plastic containers of 15 kg capacity. Then milk sweets, different milk sweets prepared from khoya based product. Currently packed in the paper carton and duplex board boxes without paper filling. Recently packed in high density polyethylene, polypropylene boxes. In particular, the capacity of 500 to 1 kg in size, and they observe the shelf life of 52 days at 30 degrees Celsius in vacuum package. Vacuum packed sample again 16 days without vacuum packaging. Then fermented products, that is dahi, then chakka, mishti dahi, srikhand, yogurt, Yakult, these are the fermented milk products. Is most popular in South India as well as West Bengal region. The dahi and mishti dahi are sold in earthen pots and containers. The drawbacks of this particular this heavy in weight, breakable, it is expensive, it cannot be covered properly, and shrinkage problem is very in earthen pots. Then So many industry is used polystyrene and polypropylene cups. The capacity is 100, 200 and 500 grams is used of the dahi and mishti dahi. Then butter, the fat butter is most commonly used. The manual molded butter is hand packed, then machine molded butter is through the automated version hand package butter. Then butter in dish most popular, it is used for the reduce the fat. And mini butter market with the limited buying power, high demand jar of butter. Okay, then cheese is coated with the wax layer to protect the for contamination, and the primary is transported to the carton. And effects of packaging material on environment and human health. To create MSW, plastic non-biodegradable, some materials contain chlorine, that is polyvinyl chloride PVC, difficult to separate from the other recyclable waste, release of harmful neurotoxin, production of greenhouse gases, scarring of landscape, biomagnification, pollutes groundwater and other water bodies, depletion of water materials, raw materials, and then future prospects. Future prospects made from the PLA, that is polylactic acid. PLA derived from the natural corn starch. The advantages of PLA is that degrade within weeks, then high stability, transparency, wide temperature range, ultraviolet resistance, and convenience. These are the advantages of the PLA or the packaging material. Then a new concept, self-heating and self-chilling. This is the main aspect regarding packaging material. Then shelf life time temperature indicators, micro ovenable containers, edible films and coatings, shrinkage wrapping, oxygen scavenger, and bioplastic. These are the different new concepts regarding the packaging of milk and milk products. In conclusion, milk should be well packed in different materials as preferred by the peoples or different consumers, and which makes transportation easily, and to avoid the contamination of milk and various milk products. This is a very main problem of spoilage. Then last one is the to increase the shelf life by through the different advanced packaging material. Thank you.